Hello, my friends. Today we are taking a look at a popular item we can find on AliExpress, eBay, and similar stores. It's a simple RCA to jack stereo cable that's used for connecting various audio and hi-fi devices. It's neatly packed and feels quite nice to the touch. The RCA and jack connectors on both sides are fixed and hence non-serviceable. Taking into account that this is a very inexpensive cable, it's still quite nicely made. The cable is 1.5 meter long and is also quite flexible. If you're looking for a cable like this one, follow the link in the description below.